Welcome to Johnston Motors. Today, featuring this 2006 Impact Orange TJ Wrangler. It's a sport trim. And yeah, just want to do a short walk around like we always do on all of our Jeeps. Well, not all of them, but most of them, the ones that are worth filming. Anyway, yeah, I just want to do a short walk around, kind of point out all the equipment, all the stuff that's on this Jeep. We're about to list it up for sale. Be sure to check on our website, johnstonmotorsales.com, for more information and pictures. So yeah, as I mentioned, this is what they call Impact Orange. It's a 2006 model. Last year, the TJs, they made those from 97 to 06. And it's 4-speed automatic transmission and the 4.0 242 cubic inch AMC inline 6. It's also the last year of that motor, so kind of an end of an era. As I mentioned, this is a sport trim. So you get some decent upgrades with the sport, mainly gearing. Everything works on it like it should. Everything is completely stock, bone stock. So tires are like new. They're Michelin Defender tires. And I'm trying to think what else to tell you about. It's a soft top, obviously. And yeah, everything works like it should. Fog lights even work, which is crazy. They're not cracked or anything like that. The paint overall is in really, really good shape for its age. I do believe this was garage kept. It's a 2-owner Jeep. Clean title, clean history. It was bought brand new in Edmond, Oklahoma, I believe. And yeah, it's been spent the first half of its life up there and then the second half of its life in North Texas. Let's take a look at the inside. You can see it's sitting on the stock wheels. Everything on this Jeep is bone stock. Soft top, these handles are in great shape. The paint's not chipping. There's no crack on the door frame here. Not the frame, but the plastic here that you see on a lot of these TJs. It's got the factory original floor mats in there, cloth floor mats, and they are in fantastic shape, which is kind of a nice bonus. Those are usually gone or missing. But yeah, the interior is super clean. No rips, stains, tears, no funny smells. Mechanically, this Jeep drives like it drives like a 22,000 mile Jeep. And speaking of, I don't even think I mentioned that. That's the coolest thing about this Jeep, is that it has only 22,000 miles on it, which is pretty crazy. It's original factory soft top. It's a little faded from age, but it is in fantastic condition. I don't think it's ever even been down. It rides really nice, really quiet. I would absolutely not touch it. I would just leave it alone. So actually, I would leave everything on this Jeep alone. There's nothing I would do on this Jeep. Fluids have all been changed. I think we just changed the oil like a day or two ago. It's inspected, ready to go. Four-wheel drive works, AC works, heater works. There's no issues on this Jeep. Let's take a look at the back. It does have this tow receiver here. I was told it's never been used, but it is not. I believe that might have been added on as a dealer add-on, basically, but it didn't come from the factory that way. Back end, this is just a bag with a soft top, but yeah, really good shape, really good condition. Open up the passenger here, and I'll pop the hood and start it for you. Here's the passenger side. It does have this aftermarket antenna on it. Radio works great. I haven't tested a CD player actually, but it does pick up radio stations. Pop the hood so you can hear the motor. And I'll quit blabbing so you guys can hear what's going on underneath here. The motor is exceptionally clean. We didn't even clean this. This is the way it came to us. So.
Hunter Johnston. Thanks for checking out this Jeep. Be sure to check out our website, johnstonmotorsales.com. You can reach us anytime at 940-808-2382. Don't forget to like, tag, and share. Thanks.